Students, today let's learn how to insert shapes in our worksheet. For adding shape, you need to go to Insert tab. Under Insert, click on this illustrations, and along with the pictures, you'll get the option that is shapes. Click here. You'll get different shapes. Let's choose one shape. I am choosing this arrow here and I am drawing it here. For drawing it, you just need to click the mouse button and drag it like this. So you can increase or decrease the size of this arrow. I am pointing out this arrow to this value because this is the highest percentage in my worksheet. Now let's add one more shape. Again, I'll go to Insert and click on Illustration, Shapes. From here, I am choosing this shape. Let's highlight this May month because my expense is highest in the month of May. So that's why I am selecting this month. But I am not able to see the background data. It is just overriding the data which is present at its back. So this we will learn in our next tutorial, like how we can see the data which is present at the back side of this shape. But for this tutorial, I hope you are clear how to insert different shapes and what is the importance of adding these shapes in our worksheet. So for the next tutorial, be ready. We will learn about how we can format these shapes. So stay tuned with us. Thank you.